Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I'm gonna show you how to start your Mercedes-Benz with push start. Lot of older models doesn't have push start built in. If your Mercedes is missing the push start button, this will be interesting for you. Your car manufacturer date must be 2010 plus to have push start. But it doesn't mean you have push start. I will teach you guys how to check if your car have keyless go option and keyless start option later on this video. I bought this button from Amazon for less than $30. The link will be in the description down below. Now let's just start with the Mercedes key fob. Now let's start with the button we bought from Amazon. The normal key must be within the vehicle to use this button. To start, put your foot on the brake. Now let's start the vehicle by pushing the button. It's that easy to use. Make sure you keep the normal key within the vehicle. Now just push it back to stop your vehicle. It is fitted tightly so it won't fall easily. If you're worried if this button doesn't work for your Mercedes-Benz, just check your vehicle's door handle. If it has a square as shown in the video, that means your vehicle has keyless go option. Now let's see how to check your vehicle has keyless start option. Check whether if your Benz have a sticker like this. If you have it, it is your vehicle's VIN number. Then go to this website. The link will be in the description. Then add your VIN number of your vehicle. And then you will get your vehicle details. After that, find the number 889 and 893. It will be visible if you have that option in your vehicle. If you don't see these two numbers, your vehicle is unfortunately doesn't compatible with this button. If you just press the button without pushing the brake, it will only start your infotainment system. Now let's push the button with foot on the brake. The car will start. So if you guys enjoy this video, please make sure you subscribe for more awesome videos. And if you have any questions, please comment down below.